Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. In this video, we're going to make a beautiful embroidery design. Here we are going to take this white color of sweater. We are going to sew this beautiful design using red color of thread. Remove the thread like this using a needle. We are going to make a cross sign. This embroidery is very easy. Anyone can make it at home. This design is perfect for altering purpose as well. If the sleeve designs are long, you can just fold the sweater like this, fold the sleeves, and you can make this beautiful embroidery design on the top of it, and nobody can tell that it is long sweater after this. You can add more designs on the top of it, or you can just leave it like this. Here we are going to use a yellow color of thread and we are attaching the middle portion like this, but you can leave it if you don't want more designs. The cross design is also looking pretty, and remove the thread like this and look, it's ready. The design is looking so pretty and the sweater as well. Here we are going to make a beautiful flower design on the top of this white collar. Just a little embroidery can enhance the look of this shirt, so you can also try it at home. First, we are going to mark dots for the star shape like this, and we are using this purple color of thread. You can also use a red one in place of this. Now we are going to make a star shape at first and remove the thread in a circular form one after another like this. You don't have to sew it, just remove the thread and pull it tightly and you will get this beautiful rose design at the end. Look how we are doing here. After this, we're going to add more design. So we're also using a green color of thread, so remove it to the needle like this and make the leaf design as well around the flower. So make 2 leaves like this, remove the thread, and look, your beautiful design is ready. If your sweater neck is too large, then in this video we're going to alter the neck design as well using thread and needle. Look, here we are going to use this red color of thread. It will also give a beautiful design to the neck. That is why we are using this vibrant color. If you don't want it, you can use same color thread in place of this. Here we are going to put the needle in increasing order. Here we are making a triangular shape at the edge of the V neck like this. Put it like we're doing here. Remove the thread over and over again. Now we are going to pull it tightly like this, and look, the thread is removed. You cannot see there is thread as well. We'll get this V pattern as well. Put the thread at the end and look, it's done. Here we're going to fold this white color of sweater, and here we're making a beautiful embroidery design on the top of it. We are making 2 cherries here. So first, take this green color of thread and make the sticks like this, like a V shape. Now we are making 2 different cherries here, so do the same on other side of the sweater as well. You can fold the sweater, and it is a great method to alter if the sleeves are long. Making design on the top of it will make it beautiful and classy at the same time. Now we are taking this red color of thread and roll the thread around the needle and 4 to 5 times like this, and tie a knot like this and remove the thread, and look, the design is ready. Similar way, we're going to make the cherry fruit on other design as well. Repeat the same process and your design is ready. On the back side, tie a knot and cut the thread, and look, it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please